Hello Stampers and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I just wanted to do an unboxing and reveal of the new Notes of Kindness all-inclusive card kit in the new Stampin' Up! Annual catalog. So of course all of these kits come with this amazing box. Each one has a different pattern. So this one you can see has these little cross pieces on that craft lid. The lid is the only part that has that design. You'll see that the base is actually just solid. So I love the boxes because they're always so versatile. You can use them for gift wrap later or for storing cards in or lots of different things. So those are super fun to be able to reuse. So let's get out all the goodies. Of course, like I said, this is one of the all-inclusive kits. So this kit is awesome to give as a gift to someone because it has everything that they need to be able to create the cards. It's also one of those awesome things to do as a beginner stamper. Or if you're a seasoned stamper and you want to take a project with you like on vacation or to a friend's house, you can just grab one of these and go because everything is already in there. So you don't have to worry about collecting, you know, lots of different supplies and making sure you have everything because this has everything. So here's the ink pad. This is basic black, which is super handy for all future stamping and different projects and things. Then of course there's the stamps here. Let me put them there. Maybe that'll help a little bit. So there's thanks and you're so kind, thank you, and then there's like a textured little piece, some little cross little things, very similar to those on here on the lid. So that's what that little image is, and then a little like greenery piece too. So super versatile to do lots of future thank you cards too. But then look at this amazing kit with all those beautiful soft colors. I am loving it. You know how much I love pink anyway, and this has pink in it and I love it. So let's open this up. You'll also notice that there is a clear block in here. Like I said, it is an all-inclusive kit. So you have that clear block, you have the stamps and the ink, so those are all something that you can use on all future projects because they are your non-consumables. You can also get a refill kit of this one, and the refill kit comes with all of the consumable items and not the non-consumables. So you can always just keep getting refill kits to make more and more and more of these cards. So here are the Stampin Dimensionals. Here there's some copper, like it's like a baker's twine, but it's a little bit more thread-like. It's not as like soft as baker's twine is, but it's super shiny and gorgeous, isn't it? Love, love, love that. Here's some pearls, so a little bling and shine. Then these here are actually, these are laser cut stickers. So they say thank you and then also merci, and I think it's danke. That's in German. So you have all the different languages for all the cards there. And then here are all of the envelopes. So the envelopes have that gorgeous little pattern on the inside of it for just like a little sneak peek when you open the envelope. And there are a total of 20 cards in this kit, so there's 4 each of 5 different designs. Oh, I'm sorry, 5 each of 4 different designs. Look at these gorgeous flowers. Oh my goodness, I am loving them. So these are all the same. There's a whole bunch of sheets. These are actually die cuts, so they're not actually stickers. They're die cuts, but that's great because then you can use dimensionals to really add some oomph to your project for a little bit of texture. And then here are all of the note cards. So it looks like these are each of the 4 designs. There's this one here. You can see it's kind of got that like greenery pattern, but then it also almost kind of goes to the back. So that's a cool little unique design. And they're white on the inside. So there's one of the designs. And then here's another one with that fabulous little greenery, sort of very like shadow-like on the background. And then this one's just like a little watercolor wash there. So that nice little mint watercolor wash. And then we have, these are actually stickers, so they're like a little like rectangle bar here of just like a little sticker with the pink, and then there's that mint and that same little cross image that's on the front of the box, and also that stamp there. And then this one here is stripes, so there's that beautiful green stripe on the card, and of course that is on the front and on the back. And that is each of the designs of the 4, and then of course, like I said, there's 5 each of those. So then here we have some banners. You can see these are all stickers, so that's why I'm not going to pull it out, but these are like little banners with the little banner tags there, and then there's little rectangles down here at the bottom in pink with that same little cross pattern that's on the front of the box. And then this is just a full sheet of white labels, but they aren't very simple white labels. They actually have that fabulous little stitching all around them. So that's super, super fun. It always adds a little bit of texture and oomph to your project. I'm not sure how well you can see the stitching on camera with it being so white on white, but yeah, there's stitching squares, rectangles, little bitty pieces that don't actually have stitching on them. They're probably for like a smaller greeting, and so there's that. So let's bring back in all those goodies. And can't forget the envelopes. And then of course there's the instructions too with the kit. So I'm a picture girl, so I usually look at the picture and go off of that. But you can always look through and read all the instructions and everything there. And then of course, here it shows each of the pictures a little bit closer up, as well as having the little numbers to show what projects or what pieces go with which projects. So that is super fun and useful to be able to assemble the cards like the kit shows. But of course you could always do the kit however you wish and mix it up and do it with your own little flair and style. So that's super fun too. I will be completing this kit and posting it on my blog, laurastamppad.com, so you can check that out there once it gets complete. To be honest, I'm not 100% sure how soon I'll get it completed, just because I don't have as much time in the stamp room now that I have the little baby with us. She is super precious and takes up quite a bit of time during the day, so we'll see whenever I get this actually completed. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing and reveal of the all-inclusive kit in the Stampin' Up! Catalog. This is the Notes of Kindness card kit. There are also 2 other all-inclusive kits that I've done unboxing and reveals of. I will leave links to those down below so that you can check those out, as well as links that you can purchase any of these kits. Like I said, they make great gifts, but they're also great to just kind of enjoy some already ready-to-go stamping. I know I enjoy doing kits every once in a while because I don't have to think. I can just kind of create and do and enjoy it and have some fun. So who knows, maybe this kit will get done a lot faster than any sort of card that I kind of come up with on my own. So we will see about that. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, and don't forget to hit that bell so that you get notifications for whenever I do post videos. And I'll see you guys all next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.